Yeah, hello, another welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match talk how you see Southampton 0 and Manchester United 1. And we get Oga Ose make tell us about how you see the game. Oga Ose, two straight win for Manchester United after the win against Liverpool for Manchester United. And how you see Manchester United performance for this match?
For me, I know they see small improvements at least. The coach maybe as newly connect, but they enter the game small.
Not be lie.
Small just say for the now, it seems he do well.
But make I ask you now, before this game, we see say one of the greatest footballers to ever play football, Cristiano Ronaldo, where would they call Roro normally for area, they put him for bench for this match. You think it's a good decision because the game against Liverpool, they put him for bench, Manchester United win. They put him for bench again today against Southampton, Manchester United win. How you see that decision from Erik ten Hag?
And the best decision any coach will do now for Man U. I mean, Ronaldo time no dey comot. You need to understand say age don dey tell on am too. That smartness, that agility not there again. So for me, na the best decision. I don't want to start with this game. In fact, if they made the team dey lazy.
Okay.
If you not now, you see the agility where the small boys or the longer they put for the game. So if you want to say even they make comot self, they okay for Man U.
So to you now, we don't hear for this transfer window now. Say Cristiano Ronaldo don't they talk, say in like come up for the club, in one play Champions League. But you now as a football fan now, what do you see for this matter? You want to make Manchester United alarm go, the team already they win without time, or make them leave and based on say him get to bunge experience?
For me, make it come out. If it come out, other players go try improve. At least before mine, they make sense now. Until Ronaldo come back, they already challenge for the title. But come like as he come back, safe and onto a big name, he don't glow in the shine. Why the team also they drop?
Okay.
So if you want to come out, make the small boys and make them feel function well.
All right now, because like you talk, say make the young still grow too. Him don't play, don't do many things. But make I ask you about our own Nigeria player, Joe Aribo, we play for Southampton. Now, how you see Joe Aribo performance for this match?
For me, the boy play. As me, I say they play for Nigeria now. For still make brain, but they play. Small give him small time. At least improvement. I see young guy now, I think 22 years. So you see they improve. We just time now, he go do okay. He play very well at least. But maybe if he carry the same mentality, come Super Eagles. And Super Eagles we need them more safe than even Southampton. Yes,
So, but make I ask you now, with this new things now where you see, this kind of performance what we see from Manchester United, you think say things don't change for Manchester United or make we see they look them with smoke on the eye?
We say they smoke on the eye. I don't just trust Man U. Although I'm a Man U fan, but I don't just trust Man U. I don't advise my enemy self may plan for a ticket. You understand? So I don't just most they look them with smoke on the eye. And Nemesis they cash up on their shot.
Okay, with this performance today now, who you think say be the man of the match for Manchester United?
Na Fernandes to me. At least the guy plays ball today. We see I'm the goal, he still score and a great technique to score the goal.
Yes.
So na Fernandes, we'll just give him to him.
Okay. So but make I ask you now, with what you don't see from this Manchester United new coach now, Erik ten Hag, the work when they do. We know say the first two games things no go well for Manchester United, but we see improvement now against Liverpool. Many people not expecting Man you go win that game. Also now against Southampton too. Some people see make we look there with corner eye, but Manchester United still deliver the vital 3 points. How you see this work when Erik ten Hag they do so far for Man U?
Very big work now. He go still work. Work today to do. Not be say because we win 2 games. At least when he play against Liverpool, say better pass how they play here. So the guys still get more work to do. The team still get to stay very intact. You know that unit never did with the system of play. So they still got to improve. So you still get many work to do.
Make I ask you about this Man U new signing now, Lisandro Martinez. I think the game against Brentford and the game against Brighton, in performance not too dey like that, you understand. One or two chances game wey be like say the people go point say him make mistake, but how you don't see Lisandro Martinez performance since the game against Liverpool?
Like I tell you just now, I say maybe time to improve still dey. So maybe don't learn a mistake now from Brentford and Brighton, so that they want improve himself and it go make sense. Now find defender that agility against Liverpool, if you can't go on like this, he become one of the best defenders for the league at the end of the season. If even they maybe the top 11 players for the season when season end. And so it just be right.
All right now, Oga Ose, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.